start with taking the microscope from the cabinet. Make sure you notice that the cabinets are numbered and the microscopes are numbered. Reach up, grab the handle, scoot the microscope out, and support it with both hands. When you get to your bench, remove your desk cover, unroll the cord, make sure that it is plugged into the back. Go ahead and plug it in and turn so that the eyepieces are pointed towards you. Make sure that the eye guards are pointed down. Turn on the light and you can see the light coming through. When you get your prepared slide, make sure you can see a spot of specimen on the slide. You'll put it into the slide holder, make sure it goes all the way to the back so it's securely held. Use the stage adjustment knobs so that we can see the light coming up through that. Use our coarse adjustment knobs to raise the stage to the highest position. Slowly lower that stage while we're watching, and just a very small amount of focus, and then I can use my fine focus. So coarse focus here, fine focus here, and I can bring my object into sharp view. At this point, we want to make some adjustments to our light, so we have a couple ways to do that. One is the light intensity knob on the base of the microscope, and we can lower that light intensity quite a bit. We can also adjust the light intensity with the condenser. You can see the light closing down and opening up. On low power, we want to lower the amount of light because we're looking at so much of the specimen. As we go to higher power, we're going to open up that condenser because we're looking at less of the specimen. Once we're in focus with the low power lens and we have our specimen completely centered, make sure you check that before you go to the next lens. All we're going to do is just rotate the nose piece here so that we have the low power lens over the stage. So we were using the scanning lens, which is 4x. Now we're using the 10x low power lens, and we'll just check to see that that's centered and in focus. And at this point, I'm just going to use the fine focus. I shouldn't be using the coarse focus at all. And now that I've found something that's perfectly in focus, I can then rotate around to the high dry lens, which is 40x, which gives us a total of 400 because my ocular lenses are 10, this is 40. And so at this point, all I'm going to do is a little bit of fine focus. If you're having trouble finding your specimen, you can always go back to the low power lens or the scanning lens, but you don't want to be using the coarse focus because that risks damaging the slide or possibly damaging the microscope. Now that we're on the high dry lens, I'm going to move us to oil immersion. And oil immersion is a special technique we use in microbiology. It's going to give us 1000x magnification. It's the highest magnification we can get with this microscope. And so to do that, I'm going to put a drop of immersion oil directly on the slide. And so I'm halfway in between my high dry lens and my oil immersion lens. I'm going to put a drop of immersion oil on there. I'm going to rotate the nose piece so that my oil immersion lens is actually in the oil. So literally it's immersed in the oil. And I look and I can see that there is actually slide oil and my lens in contact. And most of the time, I'm just going to make a little adjustment of my fine focus to look at my specimen and possibly start scanning for interesting objects. Sometimes we get to this point and we can't find anything. So what do I do at this point? I don't want to have to completely start over. So what I want to do is go back to either my scanning lens or my low power lens, and I will be able to do the fine focus, recenter my object, and I can go back to oil safely. I don't want to go to high dry because I don't want to get oil on that lens. So it's very important if you do accidentally get oil on this that you wipe it off right away. Once we're finished looking at our slide, we're going to rotate so that the scanning lens is over the stage. We'll take our slide off, and when we're finished, we'll wipe off the oil with a chem wipe. So all you're going to do is just gently hold the slide and just wipe it off. You want to be careful not to push too hard because you can break your slide. To clean our microscope, we must use these optical lens paper. Use a piece of lens paper. We want to go around to the oil immersion lens, so lower the stage all the way to the bottom. Hold it against the lens and you'll see that some of the oil comes off. Use a whole piece of lens paper, use a second piece. If there's oil anywhere on the stage or on the condenser or has dripped down, make sure we wipe that off right away. If you happen to get any oil on the high dry, you also want to get that off right away. It's really important that we clean this off completely before we put the microscope away. So once we've lowered the stage, we're going to turn off our light. Finish the process by unplugging the microscope, wrapping the cord, and then we'll return it to its cabinet. And make sure you grab the handle, support the base, use 2 hands while you're carrying it back to the cabinet.